Hello, I'm Kevin Birchelman, and this is A Brazen Bit of Leadership. Today's topic, the storms are coming. What can we learn from leaders during disaster response efforts, whether business or climate? Good question. I'm from Houston. So the Houston, Galveston, surrounding areas, we're always hit by some sort of category 2, 3 hurricane, tropical storm, depression, some named something or another. It's always a big deal. Sometimes, in all fairness, damages can exceed billions of dollars, and that's excluding the impact across other states as it continues its trek northward. So without making this just about weather and realizing that some storms are weathered by us in business and they're not climate based, realize there's some things that we should focus on no matter where the storm. 3 things. Number 1, if you're in charge, be in charge. No, that's not a duh moment. It means realizing that the buck stops with you. People are expecting leadership. Lead. People are expecting decision making. Decide. Even during a storm, whether weather or business, leadership must be purposeful and well thought, allowing for proper perspective. But delaying simply from panic is a failure in leadership. Leadership is not for the faint of heart. If you're not prepared to stick your neck out, you cannot be in front. Step aside and allow someone else to rise to the occasion. Number 2, lead now, panic later. When storms come along, it's natural to worry, maybe even be really concerned, maybe even be a little scared. The emotions themselves are okay as long as we realize they have no place in observable, demonstrable behavior. People just don't need their leaders to panic. They're doing fine with that on their own. We need leaders to be solid, confident, consistent, maybe even a little bit stoic. People must be able to easily discern who's in charge. And the most obvious way to do that is for you to act the part. Calm begets calm. Panic begets panic. Be the example of calm. Finally, number 3, nobody wins the blame game. While the storm is in session, there's no reason and no need to worry about who is or could be responsible for anything that may or may not have occurred. Let's first make sure that we get past today, this storm that we're in, before worrying about whose neck we're going to string up at some later date. There'll be plenty of time after the storm has passed to determine how to prevent similar mistakes from being made. Plenty of time to throw rocks and then duck and cover ourselves, since one or more of those rocks may be lobbed in our direction. But right now, pay attention to the challenges at hand. Stay focused and purposeful. Storms come and go. We all face hurricanes, business or weather, from time to time. It's not a matter of if, it's only a matter of when. How we react as leaders when the debris starts flying will define how others see us, even in times of calm. Favorite phrase of mine: leading by example is not a decision. It's not a choice. As a leader, you have no choice but to be an example. You're the example as soon as you show up. Now, whether a positive or negative example, that's your choice. That's the choice that you have. And this is never more true than in times of storms and hurricanes. And remember, be brazen.